Hey investors, I just want to quickly show you what we did on this little 52 unit in Iowa. Want to capture this before we sell the asset and they take this cool 3D rendering model down. Before we start in the kitchen, I think the first thing is you look at the nice flooring. It's not expensive, but it looks pretty solid. We always use this gray color, very standard color. It looks more modern and it's cheap. Sinks, this is a more of a class C plus asset. Should have seen it. We had the yellow appliances, yellow refrigerator and oven before, and we upgraded this. And nothing special, but the sink and the countertops. It's not granite, but it looks like it. Go through out. Oven will be put in there obviously later. Modular shower. What we normally do is we'll either resurface it or this one wasn't that bad, but some of the bad ones are the ones with the tiles. The tiles is a good material, so you might overlay a little sheet on top of it to have that really old look go away. New vanity sink. And this is what like 4 grand does. Buys new flooring, new paint, new appliances. Not a big facelift, but it looks pretty solid. A great place for people to live. I think this one is going for 700, 750. That is kind of a walk of view of the 1 bedroom. And you get a feel for the level of the upgrades there. And this is what we rinse, wash, repeat on pretty much all our properties.